You're like a circle that floats around me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen. Today is Simply Earth unboxing and some super fun DIYs with essential oils. So every month Simply Earth sends me their recipe box. You get 4 full-size oils, 6 recipes to DIY with, and some fun products that you will also need along the way. This box is $39 a month, and then when you first purchase, you also receive the big box. So you receive all this for $39, and then if you use my code KRISTINKAYFREE, you also receive a free $40 gift card, and then you can purchase whatever you want with that $40 on your next purchase, which is super cool. So any different essential oils you want. So realistically, like, you're getting a lot for your first month's purchase. You can always cancel it anytime. I don't know why I keep looking over here. I just keep staring at this box, so I cannot wait to show you what's inside. So let's open it and see what is in here. For the May box, it is a soap making and surface cleaning box, which I love making all of my all-purpose cleaners and cleaners with essential oils, so this made me super excited. So the 4 full-size oils you do receive in this month's box is Tranquility, Frankincense, Oregano, and Orange. And then it looks like you get a melt and pour soap base, rose clay, and then you get this cute little square to make your soap. And let's see what our recipes are going to be. So there's a Herbal surface cleaner, rose quartz soap, Unwind diffuser blend. If you guys didn't know, every time I start making my Simply Earth recipes, I love to start the diffuser blend. I don't care if it's a sleepy one, I just love the smells of diffusers like running through my home. There is a Depuff ice facial. I definitely won't be doing that because it says you need full fat coconut milk. But I love how easy their instructions are. It's just like step by step. I think it's just a really great thing. And this is called Let's Be Frank. And this is just a Rollerball, and this is to calm you, which is kind of nice. We all kind of need that once in a while. And then the roller balls, I'm going to show you guys in a second. So the roller balls are like the absolute easiest thing to make because all you do is add your essential oils and then you add your coconut oil. So this is everything you receive in the big box. Your first time around, your little box is going to be inside your big box. You get the whole thing. You get this coconut oil, unrefined, and then you also get the pure carrier oil. This is coconut oil as well, and this is what you'll use for your roller balls. And then also almond oil. This is really great when you're making recipes. And then you receive these little diffuser bottles, and then beeswax, and then you receive your roller balls, which are these little bad boys right here. And you receive, how many of these do you receive? 1, 2, 3, 6 of them. So 6 of each of those for $39. I love making essential oil recipes. I also, like I said, I love cleaning with essential oils. So you guys, let's get started. Let's make some DIYs. Let's make some soap. Let's make some recipes. Let's have a good time with Simply Earth. But yes, if you guys want to check them out, I will leave links in the description box below. They also have a really great Facebook page. So if you want some more info on there, I'm also on the Facebook page, and there's other people on there that share different recipes. It's super fun. You guys have got to check them out. I've been working with Simply Earth for about 2 years now, maybe a little bit longer. And I absolutely love them. So, and then with every Simply Earth purchase, 13% of that goes into ending human trafficking, which is really great because where I'm from, it is a really big issue. So that is great, and I just love this company so much, you guys. If you guys haven't heard me talk about how much I love a company, this is definitely one of them. So you guys, anyways, recipes, let's go. Alright, so like I said, I always like to start with the diffuser blend. This one is called the Unwind diffuser blend, and this one smells really good. I love using orange in absolutely everything because it just smells nice and fresh and super fun. But all you do for a diffuser blend is add your water into your diffuser and the oils, and then you just turn it on and it diffuses throughout your whole room. I love having this in my kitchen, but you could definitely have it in your bathroom, your bedroom, wherever you prefer to have things diffused. And here's Presley doing a smell test just to make sure it smells good. And for this, I did use all 4 of these essential oils. This next one is a Herbal surface cleaner, and I already had one of these little bottles from Simply Earth, And then all I did was add my oils in. I just went step by step with the recipes, and then you need distilled vinegar and water. And this is how I make all my all-purpose cleaners anyway, so I was pretty excited to try a new surface cleaner with some different smells. I usually like to use lemon, but this one smelled really good and it worked really, really well. And I just put this on my countertops, and I have yet to try it on windows, but a lot of all-purpose cleaners also work pretty well on windows. So this is the Let's Be Frank Rollerball. This is a really easy essential oil recipe if you are just starting out. That's why I love these recipe boxes, because it has step by step, it has the oils that you'll need, and it's not intimidating at all once you actually get to jump into these fun recipe boxes. Also, I did forget to tell you guys that they come with stickers. Maybe I did mention that, but I love being able to label everything. So this rose quartz soap was the next recipe I decided to use. I did 4 recipes out of this box out of 6. And this one I did need cornstarch and alcohol, and that obviously was not in the box. And like I said, I'm just using the recipes, but like I said, these are super easy to use. I also love that they have some really great like tutorials on their Simply Earth blog. They help you out. They kind of have just some really great info for you on there. And they also have a Facebook group as well. And so I will link that as if you want to check it out. But seriously, like I love the Facebook group because it has so many people on there that kind of talk about all different recipes that they use, the ones including the recipe box, but also ones that they use outside the box using Simply Earth's essential oils. So like I said, you guys, if you want to check out the recipe box, I will leave a link in the description box below. But I think for your first recipe box, it is absolutely such a great deal because you're getting over $100 worth of items for only $39. Plus, you receive a $40 gift card to purchase more oils or goodies or whatever is on their website. So it's almost like you're getting everything for free, right? I mean, kind of, a little bit. But anyways, you guys, I 100% stand by Simply Earth. I really love this box. This is the soap making and the natural cleaning box. This is their May recipe box. And it does tend to sell out between like the 15th and the 20th of the month. So if you guys do want to check it out, I would definitely subscribe now instead of later. But like I said, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. These are so easy to do. The recipes are so easy to make. And now I have new diffuser blends, new soap, and new surface cleaner from this box. And don't forget to use my code if you do subscribe so you get that $40 gift card. It is KRISTINKAYFREE. How many times am I going to say that's it, you guys? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.